Hello everyone and welcome to this session. Today I am going to talk about a big news that has come up in media quite recently. IIM Ahmedabad has launched a campus in Dubai. This is their first international campus and this definitely is a good news for all management aspirants outside India. Dubai is a wonderful destination and for international students, this will be a very good opportunity, especially for those who stay in and around Dubai. For them, it's definitely a big positive. So they are starting with a one-year MBA program in Dubai campus. So today I'm going to throw some light on the information that is available in their notification. To start with, IIM Ahmedabad's legacy, of course, everybody is aware of the kind of rich legacy IIM Ahmedabad has got. It got started in 1961 and within a span of just a matter of few years, it became a force to reckon with. And today, of course, this is one of the best business schools on the planet. So, with them opening up a campus in Dubai, it's a very good opportunity for everybody, especially outside India, in order to pursue an MBA from this extraordinary business school. So, one-year MBA is the program with which they are starting off. So, 2025 to 2026 would be the program duration that they are going to start with. And the eligibility criteria that they have kept in place is like this. People who have done their graduation, they are eligible to apply for this program. So you need to have a bachelor's degree or an equivalent degree in order to get admission into this particular program. But remember, people who don't have experience, people who are still pursuing their graduation, who are in final year of graduation, they are not eligible for this program. The reason they are not eligible is because there is a prerequisite of minimum 4 years of work experience. And remember, this work experience should be full-time job experience. If you have done a part-time job, it won't be considered as work experience. So full-time job is what you need to pursue after graduation and minimum 4 years of experience is needed. And then the minimum age needed is 25. So if somebody has acquired 4 years of experience, but if your age is less than 25 as on 31st August 2025, then you will not be eligible for admission into their one-year program. For admission purpose, they will be accepting GMAT scores or GRE scores. One of these two exam scores will be accepted by IIM Ahmedabad. But remember, you should have appeared for these exams in the last 5 years. Scores which are older than 5 years would not be accepted by IIM Ahmedabad. So, what could be the admission process? Let's have an understanding of that. So, you need to buy their application form, fill it up and upload it on their website. Once you have done that, they will review your application and they would have their own parameters in place. And if your application meets their requirement, then they would shortlist you for the second step. Once you're shortlisted, they'll ask you to upload certain documents. Now, these documents would contain your academic documents. They would contain your essays as well. They would ask you to write certain essays along with your application. And along with that, you also need to upload your work experience related details and so on. So all these will be uploaded by you and then you will undergo the personal interview process also. Once that is over, the final selection process will happen and a list of selected candidates will be displayed on their website. So this is the admission process that IIM Ahmedabad has announced for admission into their one-year MBA program at Dubai campus. So with this, I have come to the end of this video. If you like the content, do subscribe to our channel because we regularly upload this kind of useful content, and do hit the like button and do share it with other friends and family members who may also be aspiring to pursue an MBA program from a business school like IIM Ahmedabad. Thank you everyone for watching this video.